Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss MSc 001 econometric methods important question. What is normal distribution? So the normal distribution is an approximation of binomial distribution. Whether or not P is equal to Q, the binomial distribution tends to form a continuous curve when n becomes large, at least for material part of the range. As a matter of fact, the correspondence between binomial and normal curve is surprisingly close even for low values of n, provided P and Q are fairly near equality. The limiting frequency obtained as n becomes large is called normal frequency curve or simply normal curve जब n बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है. A random variable x is said to have a normal distribution with parameters mu, that is mean, and sigma square, that is variance, if density function is given by, that is probability density function is given as y is equals to f of x, which is equals to 1 divided by sigma under root 2 pi then into e की power minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu whole divided by sigma का whole square, where y is the computed height of an ordinate at a distance of x from mean. Sigma is the standard deviation of given normal distribution. Pi is a constant which is equals to 3.1416 and under root 2 pi is equals to 2.5066. E is a constant whose value is equal to 2.7183. The base system of natural logarithm. Mu is the mean of the given normal distribution. In symbols, it can be expressed as x, that is a random variable, follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. This read as the random variable follows a norm. इसे हम कैसे read करें जो मैंने बताई थी. The random variable x follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, right? अगर if we draw a normal distribution, the curve obtained will be known as normal curve. ये ऐसे बनता है, देखो इधर x की वैल्यू इधर f की वैल्यू ये ऐसे बनेगा, ठीक है. तो the curve y is equals to f x is the famous bell-shaped curve. The top of the well is directly above the mean mu. For large value of sigma, the curve tends to flatten out, and for लार्ज वैल्यूज़ ऑफ सिग्मा की जब ज़्यादा वैल्यू होगी तो कर्व क्या होगा, फ्लैटन आउट हो जाएगा. और अगर स्मॉल वैल्यूज़ है सिग्मा की तो कर्व में क्या आएगा, शार्प पीक आएगा. When we say the curve has a unit area, we mean that the total frequency n is equated to 1. To obtain ordinates for particular distribution, the ordinates given by the above formula are multiplied by n. The equation of normal curve corresponding to a particular distribution is given as y is equals to n sigma divided by sigma under root 2 pi into e की पावर minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu divided by sigma का whole square. तो quantity n divided by sigma under root 2 pi is above formula is equal to maximum ordinate of normal curve, which will always occur at the mean of the distribution. A random variable with any mean and standard deviation can be transformed to a standardized normal variable by subtracting mean and dividing standard by standard deviation. For a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, the standardized variable z can be obtained as z is nothing but x minus mu, that is mean, divided by sigma. A value z represents the distance expressed as a multiple of standard deviation, that the value of x lies away from mean. The standardized variable z is called standard normal variate, which has mean 0 and standard deviation 1. In the symbols, x follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, and z follows a normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation equals to 1. Then the probability density function of standard normal variate z is given as y is equals to f of z is nothing but equals to 1 divided by under root 2 pi, क्योंकि सिग्मा की वैल्यू 1 है तो हमने पुट कर दिया, इंटू e, ठीक है, माइनस 1 बाई 2 सिंस x माइनस म्यू डिवाइड बाय सिग्मा की वैल्यू z है तो इंटू z का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन बायनॉमियल, पॉइसन एंड नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन? The three distribution, namely binomial, Poisson and normal, are very closely related to each other. As explained earlier, when n is large and the probability of p, that is p of occurrence of an event, is close to 0 so that np remains a finite constant, then binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. Similarly, वही है कि जब n बड़ा होगा और p बहुत छोटा होगा तो binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution. Similarly, there is a relation between binomial and normal distribution. Normal distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution under the following condition. जब number of trials n, that is number of trials बहुत बड़ा होगा, very large, that is n tends to infinity. Second, neither P or Q is very small. In fact, it can be proved that binomial distribution approaches normal distribution with standardized normal variable. That is, Z is equals to x minus np divided by under root npk follows a normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1, or x minus np divided by under root npk will follow normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. Similarly, Poisson distribution also approaches normal distribution with standardized normal variable, that is z is equals to x minus m divided by under root m. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें देखो मैं बताती हूँ, x माइनस मीन, इधर मीन देखो, मीन भी m है, ठीक है, और इधर वेरिएंस भी m है. काइंडली एक्सक्लूड माई स्पेलिंग्स बिकॉज स्पेलिंग्स तो सही है बट स्पेस मेरे पास कम है, तो आई राइट वंस अगेन. अगर आपको नहीं दिख रहा है तो इधर मीन भी m है और वेरिएंस भी m है. तो z इज इक्वल टू x माइनस मीन m अंडर रूट डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ वेरिएंस या स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन डिवाइडेड बाय सिग्मा. तो वेरिएंस ये है तो एज स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या हो जाएगा इसका, अंडर रूट m. तो ये आ गया फॉर्मूला विच फॉलोज अ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विद मीन 0 एंड वेरिएंस 1. और सिमिलरली जब हमने बायनॉमियल में किया था, तो बायनॉमियल में आपको पता है बायनॉमियल में मीन क्या था, np, और वेरिएंस क्या था, npq. तो sd क्या हो जाएगा, बायनॉमियल के केस में लिखेंगे तो z की वैल्यू हो जाएगी x माइनस मीन दैट इज np डिवाइडेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन दैट इज अंडर रूट npk. सो इधर भी इसमें क्या, इन अदर वर्ड्स देखो जो हमने लिखा है x माइनस m डिवाइड बाय अंडर रूट m विल फॉलो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विद मीन 0 एंड वेरिएंस 1. तो ये हमने रिलेशन बता दिया तीनों के बीच में. सो दैट वाज इट गाइस, दैट वाज ऑल फॉर द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन binomial, Poisson and normal distribution, and we have discussed normal distribution in detail. So thank you guys, to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.